Welcome to a mini-sode of Deliciously Decayed. I am Rick, and today we're going to be exploring Stanley Ironworks in Bridgewater, Massachusetts. Let's go. The industrial history of the site began in 1694, when David Perkins was granted permission to construct a dam across the town river by the colonial government of Massachusetts. By 1707, Perkins had established a blacksmith shop at the site. In 1785, brothers Isaac and Nathaniel Lazelle built a new slitting mill on the site, the second mill in the country to be erected after the end of the Revolutionary War. The Lazelle brothers were manufacturing over 445 tons of iron per year. In 1845, the Fall River Railroad reached Bridgewater, and the following year, a connection to Boston was completed, allowing the company much easier access to new markets. From 1810 to 1816, the company was known as Lazelle, Carey and Company, and produced cannons during the War of 1812 and iron pots for the whaling industry. In 1825, the company became incorporated as the Bridgewater Iron Manufacturing Company, but continued doing business as Lazelle, Perkins and Company for many years after. Hope you enjoyed Part 1. Please stay tuned for Part 2, and remember to like and subscribe.